Hey guys, it's Tanya, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how I created the next piece to my costume. I'll walk you through how I made these wild and beautiful poison ivy boots, so check it out. So I grabbed this paint because it said "and more," and as you can see, the paint worked great on these boots that have just been collecting dust since 2007. I glued the leaves onto the boot to form a flame-like pattern around the top of the boot, which kind of proved to be a little bit difficult, and I had to glue behind it and build upwards. And then I just finished with a row of ivy around the top. I later realized that it's much easier to glue the flames when they're not already attached to the boot. To add a little bit of flair to my wig, I glued some rubber bands onto some ivy leaves, and I'm going to use these as hair ties. Stay tuned to see what's next.